cheese pastry pockets. Open out 2 layers of pastry. Place on top of each other on a work surface and fold in half. Cut the edges of the dough with a sharp knife to make a rectangle of 25 by 35 centimeters. Cut the rectangle longways into strips of about 6 by 35 centimeters, making 12 equal pieces. Separate one egg yolk from the white, but keep both parts in separate containers. To prepare the filling, mix together the cheese, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, half a teaspoon of pepper and 1 egg yolk in a bowl. Lay out the 12 pieces of dough on your work surface. Place about 1 tablespoon of filling on each strip of pastry. Fold one edge of the pastry over the filling to make a triangular shape. Keep folding over from side to side, keeping the triangular shape until about 5 centimeters of pastry is left. To seal the pocket, dip the end of the pastry into the egg white and press the pastry sides together. Heat 240 milliliters of sunflower oil in a pan. Fry the pastries, turning over until both sides are golden. Remove and place on paper towels to soak up the excess oil. Leave to drain, then serve while still nice and warm.